Now let's understand the operational workflow for monitoring the health of tracks by detecting cracks on rail tracks. The maintenance of railway tracks is pivotal due to the risks associated with cracks, bends, and structural issues, which pose serious safety concerns. This proposed solution presents a proactive strategy aimed at averting accidents by deploying microphone and acoustic sensors strategically on locomotive wheels. These sensors effectively monitor and analyze sound waves generated during train travel, detecting variations in air pressure caused by sound and translating them into electrical signals. The operational workflow encompasses the multifaceted utilization of acoustic sensors, examining track roughness, sound pressure levels, track decay rate, pad stiffness, wheel slip, and rail system defects during train journeys. Advanced AI algorithms analyze the sound data, identifying potential railway track issues and promptly relaying relevant information to authorities via GPS coordinates in case of bad noise. Furthermore, in instances where multiple trains reveal identical issues at specific GPS coordinates, the system dynamically adjusts alert severities, issuing SOS signals for immediate attention from relevant authorities. Additionally, the system's capabilities extend to automated maintenance actions triggered by identified conditions. For instance, in cases of track stiffness and roughness, activating a mounted lubrication system on the locomotive to address these concerns. This amalgamation of microphone and acoustic sensors with AI analysis not only proactively identifies potential hazards on railway tracks but also ensures enhanced passenger safety, improved travel comfort, and significant cost savings in maintenance, thereby solidifying its significance within the railway safety infrastructure.